Now I am going to discuss the third question. In an AP, if 16th term, how much given? 47. That means T16 is equal to 47 and T31st term, that is equal to 92. Then find T27th term. 27th term in it. T16 means how to write? They didn't give an first term and common difference also. First term means A plus. What is nth term formula? A plus n minus 1 into D. Here n is 16. 16 minus 1, 15. 15D is equal to 47. And T31, this is A plus 30D is equal to 92. Now solve these two, then we get the answer A and D value easily, and we can get the T27 also. A plus 30D is equal to how much? 92. A plus 15D, that is equal to 47. Now subtract both. Here will come minus, minus, minus. These two cancel. 30 minus 15, how much? 15D. That is equal to, what is 92 minus 47? 92 minus 47, that is 45. What is D value? 15 3s are 45. D is equal to 3. This is substitute any one of the equation. I am going to substitute in first equation. A plus 15D, D is 3, 15 3s are 45, that is equal to 47. Now what is A value here? 2. We got A value and D value. Now we need to find T27. T27 means A plus 27 minus 1, 26 into D. A value is 2. 26 into D means 3. Now total calculate this. 2 plus 3 6 are 18. 3 2s are 6 7 78 plus 2 totally 80. T27 is 80. Students, see the fourth question. Which term of 11 plus 9 plus 7 plus and so on is minus 13? In that question, identify that first term A, that is 11. Identify that common difference D, 9 minus 11, how much? Minus 2. Now here minus 13 given, that is which term? So I am taking, for suppose Tn is equal to minus 13. Now here we need to find n value. Tn formula A plus n minus 1 into D, that is equal to minus 13. A value is 11 plus n minus 1 into D value minus 2, that is equal to minus 13. Here do the calculation. 11 minus 2n plus 2, that is equal to minus 13. Minus 2n is equal to 11 plus 2, 13. Send right hand side minus 13. Overall minus 26. Now n value is 13. N value is 13. Therefore, T13th term is minus 13. So which term this is? T13. Students, I think all of you understood now. Now I am going to fifth question. See the question. Sum of 20 terms of the series 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus and so on. So here sum of n terms formula. What is that? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here we need to find a value. A means first term, that is 3. D means common difference, the term and preceding term. So I am taking T2 minus T1, 5 minus 3, that is 2. Now they are asking sum of 20 terms, S20. That means in place of n, take that 20, substitute 20 by 2 into 2. A means 3 plus n minus 1, 20 minus 1, that is 19 into d, that is 2. Now do the calculation. What happens? See, 20 by 2, that is 10. 2 3s are 6. 19 2s are 38. 38 plus 6, 44 into 10, 440. So sum of 20 terms is 440. This is the answer. Now I am going to sixth question. How many terms are added in the series to make the sum 72? Sum of the terms is 72 given. That means sum of n terms, for suppose I am taken 72. What is the n value that is needed? Sum of 5 terms are 10 terms are 20 terms are 30 terms. We don't know. We have to identify. First, see the series. What is a value? 24. First term. What is common difference? 20 minus 24. That is minus 4. Right. Sum of n terms formula already we know that. N by 2 into 2a. A value is 24 plus n minus 1 into d. D value is minus 4. That's equal to 72. Here we need to find n value. N value. Now see the calculation. These two send right hand side. N into 48 minus 4n plus 4, that is equal to 72 are 144. Now this is take 4 common here, 4 common and multiply with n. 16 4s are, no, 12 4s are 48. Here will come 12n minus of n square plus 1, that is equal to 144. Here observe that 4 table. 4 3s are 12, 4 6 are 24. Okay, now write in particular order. Minus n square plus 12n plus 1 minus 36 is equal to 0. Now this is convert into quadratic equation. N square minus 12n. Here observe that 1 minus 36 minus 35. I am taken common, so we get plus 35. So what are the factors? 7 5s are 35. Minus 7n minus 5n plus 35 is equal to 0. Now n common in first two terms, we get n minus 7. Minus 5 common, we get n minus 7. That is equal to 0. Now n minus 5, n minus 7, that is equal to 0. So n value either 5 or 7. N value is either 5 or 7. This is answer. Students, here we are done small mistake in this problem. Once check here.
That step we went wrong.
Yes, yes. Here onwards it is wrong. Some of calculation mistake. In previous problem, calculation mistake. Once see this. Here we need to get n. n. Now this is 13n minus n square, that is equal to 36. Those values send right hand side. N square minus 13n plus 36 is equal to 0. Now split into factors, we get n square minus 9n minus 4n plus 36 is equal to 0. So n common here, we get n minus 9 minus 4 common, n minus 9, that is equal to 0. So n minus 4 into n minus 9, that is equal to 0. So n value either 4 or 9. So in previous we had done calculation mistake. Now it is correct. How to do this? Eighth term of an AP is 15 given. That means T8 is equal to 15. But what we need to find? Sum of 15. S15 we need to find. T8 means how to write? A plus n minus 1 into D. N means 8. 8 minus 1, 7. D, that is equal to 15. This value we got. Now I am going to find S15. What is Sn formula? Already you know very well. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Now use that. 15 divided by 2 into 2a plus 15 minus 1, 14 D. Now inside the bracket, take 2 common and it's going to cancel. Remaining is 15 into a plus 7d. We know that a plus 7d value already. Just to substitute here, 15 into a plus 7d value 15. 15 15s are 225. This is sum of 15 terms. See the 8th question. If 19th term of a non-zero AP is 0, then the ratio of T49 is to T29. 19th term already given 0. T19 is equal to 0. What is T19? A plus 19 minus 1, 18. D, that is equal to 0. Here they are asking T49 ratio T29. That means T49 divided by T29. T49 means how to write? A plus 48D divided by A plus 28D. Here, what is A value? Minus 18D. This value substitute here. Minus 18D plus 48D divided by minus 18D plus 28D. Observe that we get 30D divided by 20D. DD cancel, 0 0 cancel. We get sorry, this is not 20, 10, 10. 3 by 1. So therefore, T49 ratio T29, that is equal to, what is the ratio here? 3:1. Students, all of you understood now?